Good afternoon, guys. It's James from Advanced In-Car Tech. So we are sat in a 2018 Mercedes Vito. So we've just retrofitted. We have already done a video of this, but today we've been retrofitting the V447, which is the Alpine 9-inch version of the touchscreen, CarPlay and nav system. So I'm just going to turn it on. Now, this particular video that we're going to do for you today is just to show you how we've managed to get round the factory camera issue. So not every one of these vehicles that you may work on will have factory camera, but this one does. So in the tailgate, it will have the flip out reversing camera. Just ignore the camera in the background. So let's just turn that down. Sorry, I had a DVD playing as well, because actually this one's got the added benefit of the DVD player and the HDMI switch. But what we're going to do is, at the moment, the problem that we've been experiencing is every time you go into reverse, not always the first time, but it's normally the second time, this is what happens if you're trying to link up the Alpine radio with the Mercedes factory camera. So you've got your moving guidelines. That's just to show that you've got a factory camera fitted in here. And what happens is you put the car into reverse and then you get this screen roll. So what we're going to do now is I'm just going to plug in our interface and show you exactly what we've done. Obviously this is just for video demonstration purposes. What we've had made up is from Germany a Facra to Alpine camera lead. It's specific, it's custom. It then interfaces with the Alpine direct camera and allows the Mercedes factory camera to plug in and talk to each other. But that doesn't eliminate the camera roll. We've also then had made up a little mini 12-volt timer relay, and what happens is the signal from the camera and from the Alpine talk to this relay and slow it down. So what happens now is, hopefully, I'm going to put it into reverse, and immediately what happens is the little camera lens pops open, which you can't avoid that anyway. And don't worry, this particular vehicle is a working vehicle, so this is a plastic taxi plate on the back here, and it shows you then the moving guidelines and the reversing camera. So let's just pop it out of there. You're still going to get your black screen and then the guidelines, because the guidelines are because it's Mercedes, the black screen is because it's Alpine, and then it goes back to its normal screen. So again, pop it into reverse and you've got instantaneous reversing camera, no camera roll, and that's how we've got over that. So if you've got Mercedes Vito like this, or any of the Mercedes platform, that you've got the factory pop-out camera and you've got a system that you want to integrate and maintain or retain your factory camera, then get in touch with us. And it's Advanced In-Car Technologies. The website is www.advanced-incar.co.uk.